Right, everybody, let's go ahead and let's check out Jill's shop. And you are welcome, Annie. All right, so let's check out Jill's shop. She's got handmade soaps, bath bombs, shower steamers, and candles. And I'm curious of what a shower steamer is. I have not heard of that one. Let's look at this one. This one I like. This one already grabs my attention. And I'll tell you what, that is a great photo. This is a great photo too. Guys, pay attention. Jill is killing it with these photos. I love these photos. This one, really good. You know, I like it because I can see you did a great job with the shadows on these ones, because the shadows are making the little lines in between the flower a little bit darker so it stands out better. Really like that. And it's so pretty. But this one, oh man, that is so cool. All these little intricate little lines. Super cool. Okay, so let's look at this one right here. Handmade bar soap, guest soap, round soap, bergamot, I don't know if that's how you say it, lemongrass, essential oils, Castile. And let's check out what is bergamot. That must be the ingredient, one of the ingredients. Okay, great. So I don't know what other I mean, I get like a Japanese vibe from these right here. I don't know if that's accurate, but that's kind of what I'm thinking right here. Bergamot is the scent. Okay. If there was some way you could call out like the style of these designs, that would be really cool too. I don't know what they would be called. I don't know how you would, I don't know if, I'm guessing there's probably a name for them, Dr. Strange soap. But if you could figure out what it is and use that keyword up there, I think that'd be really helpful, because handmade bar soap kind of seems too broad to me. You know, guest soap I think is a good one, because I mean that is where you would put this. You'd want to put this in like the guest bathroom, you know, for when people are coming over. And excuse me, we got 9,600 results there. So guest soap is a good keyword. But if you could come up with some other ones, like, you know, fancy intricate design soap, fancy soap, design soap, Japanese aesthetic, I don't know, something like that, to kind of call out those unique features and the, you know, the special little designs. I think that would be really good. 52 items. Okay, great. Let's look at the shower steamers here, because I got to see what a shower steamer is. Homemade shower bombs, floral shape shower steamers, and relaxing. I don't love the photos on this one as much. They are pretty good, but it's still a little funky. But let's see here. White tea fragrance, sold in multiples of 2. Pricing above reflects 2 steamers. So this listing is confusing because I don't know exactly what I'm getting. Because you show me 4 pieces, actually more. So this is where you're gonna lose sales, is you want your listing to be really clear. And that's what I don't like about this one, is it's not really clear what I'm getting. So it's important to have consistency in your photos, because on this one, you've told me I'm going to get 2 things, but I don't see anywhere to pick which 2 things I'm going to get. And you've shown me 3 different shapes. I've got a round bath bomb, I've got a little flower one, and then I also have this square one. So if people don't know what they're going to get, they're not going to buy. They're going to be confused, and they're just going to be like, well, am I going to get the flower? Well, am I going to get to this? You want it to be totally clear, no questions asked, what they're going to get. So I would say that's going to be important for you to kind of work on the photos. But down here in your details, I like that you included this. I think it could be a little bit better, where you're telling them exactly what they're going to get. And let's see this one here, Blue Ocean. I think this should be closer to the top. You know, it should be right up here on the top. And again, kind of the same thing, because that's going to be an important difference, you know, because this one, these big bath bombs are probably 2 or 3 times larger than the little flowers. So those details are going to be important for you to describe it and make it clear exactly what's included in a set. One nice way you can even do this is take a photo of these in their packaging. You know, I don't know if you possibly have like a little box with like a clear plastic top so you could see them. That would be really cool. But if you had a photo of them in the packaging, then it would be really clear to them, you know, what this purchase comes with. Now let's look at here. Blue Ocean shower bombs. Yes, and people love buying gifts on Etsy. So if you can show them that you present well, it's going to make it easier for them to purchase. Like these people right here, they're showing you what it's going to show, what it's going to look like when it shows up. It's in a nice sealed bag. You know, it's not the fanciest one, but it gives you peace of mind knowing that it's going to show up looking nice. These ones, I'm imagining they're going to put these are like a candle. So this is like a different thing altogether, but I'm imagining it's going to come in this little fancy lattice or whatever, lace. That'd be kind of nice to see. Now this keyword here, Blue Ocean shower bombs, not a great keyword, only 197 results. Let's just try shower bombs. Oops, I forgot to put it in there. Shower bomb. All right, 12,000 result. I think you probably want to go with that keyword straight up. Is 12,000 results, and you know, that could be a little bit better for you. 12,000 results, just going straight to shower bombs. Now, Sandy has an interesting suggestion here. Maybe include something to advertise our market for owners of timeshare properties. Definitely interesting idea, because people, you know, if they have, and also Airbnbs, if they have an Airbnb, they definitely want to have, you know, pretty soap inside their Airbnb or a timeshare. So you could do like Airbnb soap. I don't know if that's going to get you anything. A little bit, 366 results. So a little bit. Something to think about there. But overall, I like the shop, Jill. Very, very cute. I love fantastic photos. You did a great job on the photos, and that is really important.